In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a split typography animation in Canva. This is a super clean and modern text effect where your text splits into two halves and animates separately. It looks advanced, but the truth is, it's very simple once you know the trick. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this effect in just a few minutes. If you enjoy Canva tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future design tips. Now, let's jump straight into it. Step 1 is converting your text into an image, and this is something you only need to do once. First, open your Canva design and type the text you want to animate. Choose your font, adjust the size, spacing, and positioning exactly how you want it to look in the final result. Make sure you're completely happy with the styling, because once we convert it into an image, we won't be editing the text itself anymore. Once your text is ready, go to Share in the top right corner, click Download, choose PNG as the file type, and very importantly, turn on transparent background, then download the file to your computer. After that, upload the PNG back into Canva using the Uploads tab. Now your text is no longer editable text, it's an image. This is the key to making the split effect work. Place the uploaded image onto your canvas and duplicate it so you have two identical copies. You can right-click and choose Duplicate, or simply press Ctrl or Command D. You should now have image A and image B sitting exactly on top of each other. Next, we're going to crop each image to create the split. Select the first image, click Crop in the top toolbar, and drag the crop handle so only half of the text is visible. This can be the left half or the top half, depending on the effect you want. Once you've cropped it to show only half, click Done. Now select the second image, click Crop again, and this time crop the opposite half. So if the first image shows the left side, this one should show the right side. Click Done. At this point, you now have two separate halves of the same text. To make everything look seamless again, select both cropped images, hold Shift and click each one, then go to Position in the top toolbar, choose Center and then Middle. This aligns both halves perfectly, so together they look like one complete word again. Even though it looks like normal text, it's actually two separate images stacked together. Now for the fun part, adding the animation. Select the left half first, click on Animate, then go to Element Animations. Here you can choose an animation like Wipe Left, Slide Left, Pop, or Drift. Pick something that moves in one direction. Then select the right half, go to Animate again, and choose a similar animation but in the opposite direction. For example, if you chose Slide Left for the first half, choose Slide Right for the second half. If you used Wipe Left, choose Wipe Right. The key idea is that both halves move away from each other or enter from opposite sides. Once you preview the animation, you'll see the magic happen. The two halves move separately, creating that clean split typography effect. You can adjust the timing and speed in the animation settings if you want it to feel smoother or more dramatic. And that's it. That's how you create a split typography animation in Canva using a simple image conversion and crop technique. It looks professional, it works great for Reels, presentations, and YouTube intros, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what effect you'd like to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.